Hello everyone, I'm Abhay Sarkar. I am here to introduce my hackathon project from Geek for Geeks. Theme is Project My Hack for Health. We develop a project with the help of ML and web based. The project title is Quick Health Analyzer. A contributor team is two and name Vinay Kumar and Abhay Sarkar. Let's overview of the project. The project overview the PPT is problem statement, introduction and technology used, UI UX and future implement, conclusion and reference. Here the problem statement early illness identification important worldwide public health and global. Using machine learning approaches we access cus- consumer diagnosis data and emerge a game changing approach to early stage disease identification. The Let's project introduction. Where project using the machine learning algorithm choose the diseases and make perf- perfect accuracy to predict which diseases you have using your diagnostic data analysis and insights your your actual data you have from the people input characteristic might compress variety of health indicate genetic and market lifestyle variable and other specific data as like you have the diabetes data you have insulin blood pressure and cholesterol in your blood and etc. Using these values and make a machine learning model and make prediction. Let's about we use the diseases to make prediction. We are the focus now only three type of diseases: heart disease, diabetes, and Parkinson. So let's about the heart disease. The heart diseases basically form the blockage your artery, your narrow the artery, reduce the blood flow of the heart. A heart disease immediately pump the blood inefficiently, leading the failure and breathlessness. And the whenever heart disease issue with the heart valve and causing narrow and leakage. Second disease is diabetes. Diabetes is basically insulin imbalancing. Diabetes result for insufficient insulin production in effectively use the insulin in the body. The if e- the blood sugar level characteristic diabetes leading various complication in now managed. These diabetes two types: type 1, type 2. Type 1 normal where fluctuate insulin level. Type 2 we life our lifestyles change. It can be genetics. Diabetes out of 10 people, one have diabetes. Or the pre-diabetic, out of 10, 8 people have pre-diabetic. Where use where it says blindness, kidney failure, heart diseases and strokes and lost toe, feet and legs. And Parkinson disease. We introduce Parkinson disease. Parkinson's disease is the two type of symptoms plus slow motors and non-motors. Symptoms: slow movement, tremor, painful muscles, difficult to speaking, imbalancement. Or second, the non-motors. In the non-motors is the mental health disorder, dementia, pain, sleep disorder, sensory disbalance. We use 31 people with 23 Parkinson disease and others non-Parkinson disease. Use the make a trainer model and predictor. After 2011, various methods we use to detect Parkinson's disease: first, wearable technology; second, voice and speech analysis; third, imaging technique; fourth, biological marker. These dataset comprise the range Biological measurement use voice, vocal, and speech analysis. Technology used front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Or backend Python, Scikit-learn, and Pandas, NumPy, Fast API, JSON, and Pickle. Hello everyone, we are introduced my backend of project. The models are diabetes, heart disease, and Parkinson in pickle format, and using the fast API. Let's run our project. Wincon and backend where the project where we have, and the API name health. Let's run app and host name 0.0. We use the public IP address and port 10,000. We also is public port number, and let's run. Successfully run, and my code make public and run. The code is the backend is now running. So you see EY.
Now I am going to show the UI UX of this project. So let's come at the VS Code. Now I am going to run the code by using npm run start. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's running on port number 1000. You can see this is a home page. This is a slider. You can slide by using clicking here and also by clicking here. This is a heart disease about heart disease. By clicking check, you can go through the take form, diabetes, neurological disease, that is Parkinson, team member. This is about section. Here the about the project title, introduction, program statement, and team member. Now here the heart disease section. Here you have to fill the information, and we will get the information about you have diabetes or not. Let's fill the information. Okay, now we have filled the data about the disease. As you can see in the form, here the information about disease.
Let's check about.
By clicking here, check, you can check the about your disease. So click and check. Its result negative heart disease. By clicking check again, you can also check it again. Now we now we come at the diabetes. Here we have filled the information about the diabetes, and by clicking on check, we can check about the disease. It's a positive diabetes. By clicking on check again, you can check it again. Now we come at the neurological disease that was the Parkinson. Here we have filled the information about with this disease. You can see in a form by clicking check here. You can check it. Its result is a negative Parkinson,
Yes, sir.
which means you have not Parkinson disease. That's all the UI. Now the conclusion. Conclusion of this project is the integration of machine learning into the early illness detection optimize the paradigm shift in healthcare. It seeks to revolutionize diagnostic capability, empower healthcare practitioner, and ultimately elevate the quality of life on global scale. As we navigate this transformative journey, a commitment to the ethical practice and collaborative endeavor will be instrumental in realizing the full potential of machine learning in healthcare. These are the reasons where we will take the help. Thank you. That's all.